Good morning, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Divyajyot from class 7B. As we all know that something that are spoken by our elders and we start believing them superstitiously. But there are definitely some scientific reason in all those things. We have no justifiable explanation. We avoid observing rituals for fear of being looked upon as old-fashioned or without real understanding. We need to study and try to find the significance behind most rituals. Let's start with the significance of Ekadashi in the Indian culture. Many people observe a fast on Ekadashi days. It is widely prevalent ritual but not deeply understood. Ekadashi is a Sanskrit word for the number 11. It stands for the 11th day of each half of the month in the lunar calendar. So, there are 2 Ekadashi days in each month. One is in the first half of the month when the moon is waxing, and the second is when the moon is waning. These days have a very special significance for health, and the practice has been connected with the religion for the sole purpose of health and well-being. Had it not been associated with religion, common people would not have to follow such dictums. It is good to moderate the intake of food on these days so as to counter the impact of lunar system on the human body, as our human body is made up of 60 to 70% of water. You can see the impact of the moon on the water in the oceans. It is significant on the full moon night. There can be tides rising up to 20 or even 30 feet. Similarly, this has an impact on the human system also. Especially during the full moon, records show criminal activity is greater than usual on these days. The term lunatic actually comes from the lunar effect on the human nervous system. Our elder must have observed this. From the 8th day of the lunar cycle, the effect starts rising and reaches its peak on the 15th day. Midway between these two is the 11th day, Ekadashi. If we moderate our intake on that day, we can neutralize the lunar impact on our system. Thank you.